Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm so happy you're here today, and I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to peel a whole bunch of turmeric root, curcuma longa, and turn it into a glycerite. So I'm happy that you're here. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Leave a comment down below and check out my description down below. I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me, and that includes 2 of my courses. One is just about to start, although it has an ongoing admission, and that is crafting a magical herb garden. So that is a 6-month course. The other course I have is a 10-month course. It's called Advanced Home Herbalist. And that is training you to do all the things that I do at home for you and your loved ones. So let's take a look at this turmeric. So here's my turmeric root. It's not the best looking roots I've worked with, but I got a nice size bag on sale. And what I'm going to do is peel all of this and get this skin off. Sometimes I leave the skin on my ginger, and sometimes on the turmeric. So this is in the same family as the ginger root. It's bright yellow orange. Turmeric makes a yellow dye that has been used to dye monks' robes. It is a sacred herb. It is used highly and readily in India. There is known records of the use of turmeric that go back thousands of years, and today it is commonly known for as an anti-inflammatory, so bringing down inflammation in and throughout the body. But the key with working with turmeric is that you work with good quality turmeric. It's the curcumin that is inside the chemical inside this plant that helps with reducing inflammation. So I'm going to show you how to make a glycerite, and then I will have this glycerite available in my Etsy shop. So look at this beautiful, beautiful root, and the hazard of the job, stained fingers, stains on my cutting board. So turmeric. I'm going to share some things about turmeric here before I show you the glycerite. Turmeric improves brain function and lowers risk of brain diseases, including Alzheimer's disease and depression, according to Dr. Nicole Appelian in the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. Great book. I'm going to link to it in the video description down below. So curcumin can increase the levels of brain-derived neurotropic factor, BDNF, which is the growth hormone for the brain. Many brain diseases, including Alzheimer's and depression, are linked to decreasing levels of BDNF hormone. Increasing BDNF levels with curcumin can effectively delay or possibly reverse many age-related brain function diseases. So I'm taking my jar here, and whatever size jar you're going to work with, you want to fill 3/4 of the way with the turmeric root. And so I'm going to go a little bit higher. I peeled for the most part, cut chunks, and I'm doing what I call the Simpler's method. Well, actually, Rosemary Gladstar calls it the Simpler's method. And I have a little bit of red raspberry leaf dust on here, because this was my red raspberry leaf jar. And then I'm going to add vegetable glycerin and make a really, really gorgeous yellow gold turmeric extract. So other uses for turmeric, it's very common now to find curcumin supplements that reduce inflammation and arthritis, stopping or slowing the progress of that disease. It helps with the improvement of symptoms, reducing joint inflammation, as well as reduction of pain. So when working with turmeric in that way, I like to also get to the real root of the issue. And I don't like to incorporate herbs as just a band-aid or just like in exchange for a drug pill. I want to know what is going on that's causing the arthritis to be present in the body. So I'm going to fill this jar up a little bit higher. So at the last minute, I decided to turn this into an oxymol. And so if you've heard me say glycerate, vegetable glycerin, I was just thinking this is going to do much better with the vinegar to extract the properties versus the vegetable glycerin. So I am making a quick alteration. And so an oxymol, I've made many different oxymols. I have not made a turmeric one. I've made turmeric extracts with alcohol, and I have videos on making oxymols with some other herbs. You can search that on my channel here. So basically an oxymol is an ancient way of preserving an herbal formula or extract with vinegar and honey. And I usually do half and half. It's a little bit more vinegar than half. And then I'm going to add the honey. And the vinegar and honey mixture, it doesn't last quite as long as the vegetable glycerin, as long as, when I mean shelf life. But it will be good for at least a full year, especially if you keep it in the refrigerator. It'll be good longer than that. So typically we use vinegars to pull more properties out of plants than vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is used for like really soft aerial parts of the plant. Root, I almost always use alcohol, but because this is fresh root, I knew that the extraction would be easier. But this is a really delicious way to make your extract with the vinegar and the honey, because you can then incorporate it into food dishes, into salads, or just pour some in a little cup and take daily. So I'd love to be able to add a little clip of this finished product, because it's going to take 2 weeks so you can see the really beautiful color. But if you go to my @sheepHillHerbs on Instagram, I will have a picture of that within 2 weeks that you can view. I'll put it on my feed post. So there you have it. I just have to label. I'm going to put a new label on top of this and label it. You put the herb, the menstruum, so that is the liquid that you have used, and the date. And sometimes you want to put the Latin name of the plant if it's something in question, but turmeric is not going to be confusing. And every day you agitate the jar. You want to mix this together with the honey. You have to mix a little bit more than you would with alcohol. And I'm going to just put it on a sunny windowsill and let it sit there for 2 weeks. And then I have a really powerful anti-inflammatory that's going to taste really good too. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel and my video on turmeric oxymol. I have to correct that because I said glycerate in the beginning. And if you would like to receive my newsletter, I send that out weekly, and it includes my classes, my courses, and all kinds of exciting things that I offer, including chakra sessions, consultations, and even coaching, business coaching. So to get that, message me on my website, sheephillherbs.com, and ask to be added to my newsletter, and I will send you my free ebook on making herbal teas. So thanks. Come again real soon. Bye.